Welcome to Aryant English Medium School, Solapur for online teaching session 2020-21. Myself, Mrs. Lata Kodam, and I am the teacher of EVS subject. Students, today we are going to learn our chapter number 1, the life cycle of animals. Look at this picture carefully. Among the pictures of the dog and puppy, mother and baby, hen and its chicken, goat and its kid, cat and its kitten, cow and its calf. What you understood from this picture? They show that the young one do not look any different from their mothers. This is the case of all living creatures. But the frog and the butterfly whose hatching look completely different. The frog and the butterfly whose hatching looks completely different. Can you tell? A hen lay eggs, chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? Growth of animals. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from their mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards, they lay eggs. Chicken is born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all the animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lay eggs. Her eggs are big enough to see easily seen. These are eggs of the hens. We can see these eggs easily. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is completed, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Do you know? When a hen hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through four stages. These are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult stage is called a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lay eggs on the milkweed leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. Rapid means very fast. Molt. Molt means to shed old skin to make way for new growth. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in this skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molts. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. The remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 or 12 days. Just before the last molt, the caterpillar waves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts this time, it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. Do you know? For each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. The time the larva take to emerges from the eggs is different from different types of butterfly. There is a great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. Do you know? After we have cleaned the grains we buy, we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be insects in the grain stored in the places like warehouses, in the grocer shop, or even in our home. Now, if a female insect lay eggs in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. The warmth and the air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So, their growth continues inside the box. They also have same stages of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa and adult. When we open the box, We see the insects in the grain at the different stages of growth in which they are. What we have learned from this lesson? A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult are four stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaf of milkweed plant. The larva emerges from egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Have you understood this lesson? We'll meet in the next period again.